Safety training seminars in Pleasant Hill. Our address is 200 Gregory Lane. To access our rear parking lot, you'll want to turn in to South Cody Lane. And you'll find the rear parking lot straight ahead and to the right. Once you find a parking space, locate Building C. Safety training seminars will be in room 103 inside Building C. If you've parked in the rear parking lot, this is the access walkway here, and you'll find Building C straight ahead. Enter the code on the keypad. Safety training seminars will be the first door on your left. Once again, enter the code here. Come in, log into any station, and you can begin your RQI skill test.